What's up, everybody? It's your boy محمد ASHRAF here, and today we're about to blow your minds with some seriously easy ways to make money online. Forget about needing thousands of dollars to invest. We're talking zero, zilch, nothing up front. That's right, you can start earning cash today with just your laptop and a little bit of hustle. We're going to break down the top 5 methods that are absolutely crushing it in 2025. So stick around, smash that like button, and let's dive right in. First up, we've got freelancing. This is perfect if you've got skills, man. Whether you're a writing wizard, a coding ninja, or a graphic design guru, there's a gig out there for you. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients who need your talents. The best part, you're your own boss, set your own hours, choose your projects, and watch the money roll in. Next, we've got online surveys, okay? So maybe it's not going to make you a millionaire overnight, but it's easy money. Companies want your feedback, and they're willing to pay for it. Sign up for legit survey sites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. Share your thoughts and rack up rewards. Pro tip: be honest and complete your profile fully to get matched with the best surveys. Chapter 3. Affiliate Marketing, Promote and Profit. Now this is where things get exciting. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting other people's products and earning a commission on every sale you make. Find a niche you're passionate about, join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank, and start sharing your unique referral links. We've seen people build entire empires with this method, so don't underestimate its potential. Chapter 4. Content Creation. Unleash your inner star. Yo, if you love creating videos, podcasts, or writing blog posts, content creation is your jam. Share your passions with the world, build a loyal following, and monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, or even selling your own products. It takes consistency, but the rewards can be huge. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are your playgrounds for success. Chapter 5. Selling digital products. Create once, sell forever. Last but not least, we've got selling digital products. This is the ultimate way to leverage your knowledge and create passive income. Write an ebook, design templates, record online courses. The possibilities are endless. Once your product is created, you can sell it over and over again without any extra effort. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad make it super easy to get started. There you have it, folks. 5 incredible ways to make money online with zero investment. Remember, the key is to take action. Choose a method that resonates with you, put in the work, and watch your bank account grow. And hey, if you want more awesome money-making tips and tricks, hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on earning money online. See you in the next video.